Hello everyone! Welcome back to another video lesson. I am Ma'am Liza. For today's session, we're going to talk about the addition and subtraction of integers. In this video, you will learn how to add and subtract integers and solve word problems involving addition and subtraction of integers. What is an integer? Set of whole numbers and their opposites. Integers can be represented on the number line. On a number line, the positive integers are to the right of 0 and the negative integers are to the left of 0. How to add integers? The diagram below helps you understand the rules in adding integers. Are the signs the same? Yes or no? If yes, add the integers and keep the sign of the integers. If no, subtract the integers and take the sign of the integer with a bigger absolute value. For example, so kapag same sign, what you are going to do is add and keep the sign of the integers. So for number 1, we have 7 plus 3. So add the integers. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Since they are both positive, so ikikip nyo lang yung sign. So the answer is positive 10. Next, for number 2, negative 20 plus negative 15. So the answer is negative 35. Next, for number 3, negative 4 plus negative 8 plus negative 6 equals negative 18. And number 4, 9 plus 7 plus 5 equals 21. Next, how about if the signs are different? So, we're going to subtract the integers and take the sign of the integer with the bigger absolute value. So, in our example, negative 12 plus positive 16. So, subtract the integers. So, 16 minus 12 equals 4. Then, take the sign of the integer with the bigger absolute value. So, dito, sa negative 12 and positive 16, yung positive 16 ang may bigger absolute value. So, since ang sign nito is positive, the answer is positive 4. Next, for number 2, 8 plus negative 17 equals blank. So, subtract the integers. 17 minus 8 equals negative 9. So, dito sa dalawang integers, yung negative 17 yung may bigger absolute value. So, ikakopy lang yung sign nung 17, which is negative. So, kaya siya negative 9. Next, for number 3, 15 plus negative 4. So, subtract the integers. 15 minus 4 is 11. So, yung 15 yung may bigger absolute value. So, ikakopy lang yung sign ng 15 which is positive. And last, number 4, negative 20 plus 13 equals negative 7. So, subtract 20 minus 13 equals 7. So, since yung negative 20 yung may bigger absolute value, ikakopy lang yung sign ng 20 which is negative, kaya ang answer is negative 7. Next, how to subtract integers. So, these are the rules in subtracting integers. Keep it, flip it, and change it. So what to keep? So the first number stays the same. Flip it, change the subtraction sign to addition, and change the second integer to its opposite. And after that, add using the addition rules. For example, number 1, 9 minus negative 5 equals blank. So first, keep it. So keep the first number. Next, flip it. So machi-change from subtraction, magiging addition. And change it. So change the second integer to its opposite. So from negative 5, magiging positive 5. Then, add using the addition rule. So since same lang naman ang sign ng two integers, so pareho silang positive, what you are going to do is to add the numbers. So 9 plus 5 equals 14. So copy the sign, which is positive. So the answer is positive 14. Next, for number 2 example, we have negative 7 minus negative 4. So again, keep it. Keep the first number. Flip it. So from subtraction, magiging addition, and change it. Change the second integer to its opposite. So from negative 4, naging positive 4. Then, add using the addition rule. So dito sa number 2 example natin, kung mapapansin nyo, magkaiba ang kanilang sign. So negative and positive. So according to the rule, if the signs are different, subtract the integers. So 7 minus 4 equals negative 3. So bakit negative yung sign sa answer? Kasi dito sa dalawang integer, ikakopy natin yung sign ng may bigger absolute value. So dito, negative 7, yung may bigger absolute value. That's why the answer is negative 3. Next, number 3, 0 minus 8 equals blank. So keep it, keep the first number. Flip it. So, yung subtraction, magiging addition, and change it. Change the second integer to its opposite. So, positive 8, magiging negative 8. Then, add using the addition rule. So, 0 plus negative 8 equals negative 8. And last, number 4, negative 12 minus 3 equals blank. So keep it, keep the first integer, flip it. So i-change, subtraction magiging addition, and change it. Change the second integer to its opposite. So yung positive 3, naging negative 3. Then add using the addition rule. So, since pareho lang ang sign ng dalawang integers, just add the numbers and copy the sign. So, 12 plus 3 equals 15. Then, copied negative, magiging negative 15. Now, it's your turn. Try to answer the following activities. For activity 2, solve the following addition and subtraction problems. So I want you to pause the video and answer each problem. Okay, so let us now answer. For number 1, 0 decreased by negative 11 means 0 minus negative 11. And the answer is 11. Next, number 2, subtract negative 6 from 12. So 12 minus negative 6 equals 18. Number 3, negative 3 plus negative 10 equals negative 13. Number 4, 7 increased by negative 4 means 7 plus negative 4. And the answer is 3. Number 5, 18 minus 8 equals 10. Number 6, 56 less negative 4 means 56 minus negative 4. And the answer is 60. Number 7, negative 20 more 12 means 20 or negative 20 plus 12. The answer is negative 8. Number 8, 5 added to negative 8 equals negative 3. Number 9, negative 7 minus 5 equals negative 12. And last, number 10, subtract negative 2 from 0. The answer is 2. Do you have any question? If none, you can now answer the activities found on your module. Good luck! Well, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in the next video lesson.